RRB loco pilot. Previous year question. RRB LP paper stage 2 exam paper answer key held on 21 January 2019 shift 2 fitter. A rag bolt is a type of rag नुहे এটা আছে রগ দেইছি না rag হবে rag bolt. Rag bolt is a type of foundation bolt. Option A answer. Foundation bolt. तर बेस्ट टाइम थी वाइड ही थी rag bolt is a type of foundation bolt. Then which gauge is used to check the diameter of a hole? Bore gauge. Option D answer. Bore gauge. Which gauge is used to check the diameter of a hole? Screw gauge gauge तमरो to check the pitch of a screw. Filler gauge gave the to measure gap between two mating part. और ring gauge thread ring gauge and thread measure करियो. Next question. Master height gauge is used to measure 3. C. Concentricity. Master height gauge is used to measure concentricity. The point angle of drill bit is A 118 degree. Which of the following is also known as a tool rest? Leather accessories. Compound rest. Compound rest ऊपर tool पोस्ट था ना जितनी ताको tool rest भी कहा जाए. Option C. Which of the following not a type of comparator? 6. Hydraulic comparator, pneumatic comparator, optical comparator, but manual not. Option D answer. Not दीजिए ना तो D answer. D. The property of metal by which it can be drawn into wires. Ductility. Seven B. Which process is used to convert mild steel to high carbon steel? Carbon percentage increase करिए. Carburizing. Option B. Carburizing. An outside micrometer has a negative error. The correct reading can be taken by. Negative error टाको ऐड करिवा. Option D. Adding the negative error in the actual reading. The mallet is generally made of wood. Option A. Drill chocks are held on the machine spindle by means of an error. Option A. The algebraic difference between the upper limit and lower limit is called tolerance. Option C. The algebraic difference between upper limit and lower limit is called tolerance. Which of the following is an example of fusion welding? Gas welding, fusion welding. Option D. 13 option D. GI pipes are coated with zinc. The toughness in steel increases and brittleness by heat treatment operation is called tempering. Option A. The toughness in steel increases and the brittleness by heat treatment operation is called tempering. The alloy of copper and zinc is all known as copper zinc brass. Copper tin था bronze था. The gap between two matching parts measured by filler gauge. Option C. The point angle of scriber 12 to 15 degree. Point angle of scriber 12 degree to 15 degree. Slots are provided in an angle plate. Keeping the job straight, hold the heated component, lifting with hook etc. Tightening knot and bolt. Job को hold करिए भाई. Tightening knot and bolt. Slots are provided in angle plate. Tightening knot and bolt. The property of metal to drawn into thin sheet. Malleability. Option A. The minimum that can be correctly read with vernier caliper is called. The minimum that can be correctly read with vernier caliper is called least count. Option C. 21C. Least count को कहते हैं. The process of enlarging hole size and enhancing its surface finish is known as. Boring कोई भाई. Option A. A fixture is used to hold the workpiece. G both hold and guide workpiece. Fixture is used to hold the workpiece. Option B answer. Shearing the sheet into two pieces or more is known as. Parting को या parting. Option B. Shearing of sheet metal into two pieces or known as two pieces or more is known as parting. Which is the possible cause when a twist drill produces a rough hole on the job? Rough hole হবে তাহলে feed rate is too high. Option B. Which is the possible cause when twist drill produces a rough hole on the job? Feed rate is too high. The hardness of steel increases. Increasing carbon percentage. Option D. Carbon percentage increase. If carbon percentage increase in a steel, then hardness of steel increases. Which part of lathe machine is involved for taper turning? Cross slide. Cross slide. Option B answer. Which type of bearing is used in crankshaft? Plain bearing. Which type of bearing is used in crankshaft? Plain bearing. Option C. In which process the machine component is neatened and smooth from rough edge or ridges manually? deburring, এই প্রসেসটাকে deburring প্রসেস কয়। অপশন এ। Which marking medium is used to draw clear and sharp lines? Persian blue, oil paint. Option D. Clear line और clear and sharp line ପାଇଁ which marking medium is used? Persian blue and oil paint. The least count of vernier caliper is 0.02 mm. V blocks are available in grade of least count of vernier caliper. Least count of vernier caliper metric system 0.02 mm. British system 0.001 inch. V blocks are available in grade of V blocks are available in grade of grade A and grade B. Option C. Grade A and grade B. The process of cutting thread by tape in a ground hole is called taping. Option D answer. The process of cutting thread by tape in a ground hole is called taping. From which material is hammer made? Cast steel. तो ये cast steel तो नहीं, तेणु C है आंसर. ऑप्शन C. Drop forged carbon steel. From which material hammer made of? Drop forged carbon steel. Which drill is used for large batch production? Mass production by which drill is used? Gang drilling machine. Option B. Tensile strength of an alloy steel can be improved using manganese, not nickel. Option B. Which of the following is a type of direct measuring instrument? Direct measuring instrument. Divider, not vernier caliper. Option B. Direct measuring instrument. Direct हम measure कर दोगे ना, odd like caliper में scribe करने केवल. The viscosity of petroleum oil for hydraulic lifts. High. Option C. The dimension of knot is expressed in terms of pitch diameter of bolt, head of bolt, core diameter of bolt, nominal diameter of bolt. Option D. Option D. Nominal diameter of bolt. The dimension of knot is expressed in terms of nominal diameter of bolt. Which metal is not suitable for lapping? Tungsten. Option C. When the size of smallest hole is more than the size of biggest shaft, then it is called clearance fit. Option C. Least count of vernier depth gauge. Least count of vernier depth gauge. Option B. 0.02 mm. By which forging method are bolts are produced? Offsetting forging. Option A. Offset forging. By which forging method are bolts are produced? Offset forging. Cast iron can be easily obtained by processing the ore in a cast iron cupola. 44C. Cast iron can be easily obtained by processing the ore in a cupola furnace. Which of the following metal is used in B grade V block? Which of the following metal is used in a B grade V block? Close grain cast iron. Option D. Close grain cast iron. Jigs are not used in which of the following operation? Milling, reaming, tapping, drilling. Milling operation. The least count of metric micrometer. Option A. 0.01 mm. Dash is a semicircular key used for transmitting light torque. Woodruff key. Option C. Semicircular. Which of the following is not conventional type of welding process? Friction welding. Option D. Which stack is used to make a conical or beveled funnel? Funnel stack. Option B. Which of the following instrument is not used to measure angles? Bevel protractor, measure angles. Vernier caliper not. Option B. Vernier bevel protractor is vernier caliper केमती angle measure करी. Which among these is common to both the parts of matching pair? Which among these is common to both the parts of matching pair? Normal size. Option B. Which type of maintenance is the most effective? Breakdown maintenance. Option A. The upper part of chisel is chamfered to an angle of 10 to 12 degree. Option C. 10 degree to 12 degree. Which rivet is used in a light sheet metal work? Tin man rivet. Option D. The process of filing from one end to another end in one stroke is called cross filing. Option A. The process of filing from one end to other end in one stroke is called cross filing. In which of the following forging operation no special die is used? Smith forging. Option C. Smith forging. Which type of surface is produced by the turning operation in lathe machine? Which type of surface is produced by turning operation in lathe machine? Produce than cylindrical surface. Which of the following is a which of the following is the appropriate drill size for M10 tape? 8.5. M10 tape ଦେଇଛି ମାନେ ତାର ପିଚ୍ କେତେ ଥିବ 1.5, then 10 minus 1.5 equal to 0.5, 9 minus 1 8, 8.5. What is attached to a dial face for the rapid checking of parts? What is attached to a dial face for the rapid checking of parts? Tolerance pointers. Option C. Tolerance pointers. Bearings are generally made of. Bearings are generally made of. Bearings are generally made of bone metal. What is the angle of Acme thread? 29 degree. Option C. 29 degree. The value of each main scale division of vernier bevel protractor is 5 minutes. 63. A option. 5 minutes. A hollow punch is used for a punching hole in leather. A hollow punch is used for punching hole in leather. Which knot can be easily operated by the thumb and finger? Wing knot. Option D. Wing knot. Go no go gauge is a type of limit gauge. Option B. Go no go gauge is a type of limit gauge. Option B. Which knot is a hexagonal knot with a washer? Flanged knot. Option A. Which knot is a hexagonal knot with a washer? Flanged knot. The box knot of a bench vise is made of phosphorus bronze. Phosphorus bronze. Option B. The box knot of a bench vise is made of phosphorus bronze. The box knot of a bench vise is made of phosphorus bronze. Option B. Honing is used for the finishing. Honing is used for the finishing. Internal cylindrical surface. Internal cylindrical surface. Which among the following is not a factor for the section of cutting speed and feed rate for reaming a hole with a machine reamer? A rigidity of the fixture, not a factor. If a factor দরকার নেই. Which bolt is commonly used in bearing for shaft? I bolt. In pneumatic system, AND gate is known as Non-return valve. Option B. In pneumatic system, AND gate is known as non-return valve. If you want to make a hole in a switchboard, then you will use a hand drill machine. Option A. The minimum measurement that can be read with the help of steel rule is 0.5 mm. List count. Option A. Dash is a mechanical property of metal. Weight, not bad conductivity, not color, not mechanical physical properties. Physical property. But toughness is a mechanical property. Option D. Option D answer.